If you're new to AI and you want to try a side hustle that you don't have to use any tech skills to get started, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the easiest AI side hustle that you can start in 2025 and how you can make your first $100 online doing this. Also, don't forget to grab my free guide, which I'll show you 10 AI side hustle ideas that you can start this week. I've linked it down in the description box below. Grab it now. So let's talk a little bit. Why does AI side hustle works in 2025? Why is this working right now? Because there has been a huge demand for digital content and even automation. If you are realizing that business owners, they don't want to be left behind, they want to make sure that they're on the cutting edge of technology with their business. So if you know an AI side hustle that you can use to automate or to save a business owner time, then I can guarantee you, you will make so much money by just doing this for them. If you can create content using AI in the background to help you to come up with content ideas, to come up with scripts, or just using AI to your advantage, and then pitching business owners about the services that you offer. This can be video creation. This can be, even social media management for them, because it's so popular right now. This AI thing, it is here to stay, and we are in the middle of this revolution right now. So business owners are familiar. They know what's going on. So they want people that knows how to put these AI systems into their daily business so that it can help them to run their business more efficiently and bring more revenue. So if you're able to save a business owner more time, then they're able to make more revenue. So don't think that this is not something that can help you. This is absolutely the thing that can put you ahead of 99% of people in the next 5 years. Learning an AI skill, this is one of the top paying services right now. So you can be an AI consultant. There's so many avenues that you can take with AI. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to know everything about AI. You just learn the area that you're interested in. Once you apply it, you reach out to business owners that are interested in your services, and boom, you've got a business up and running where you can charge people for these services that you know how to do. So one of the top AI side hustle that I think right now will be the future is helping content creators use AI to create content even faster and more efficient. So this is going to be one of the skills that if you have this skill, then you're able to charge premium prices to people that are interested in getting content out. So you can do content creators, entrepreneurs, freelancers, stay-at-home mom. There's so much people that you can do content for that are willing to pay you to have content done for them. And with the use of ChatGPT and Canva, you can use these tools to help to create content even faster. So ChatGPT, it gives you the ideas. It brings everything together for you. So all the ideas that you have in your head, once it is that you put these in ChatGPT, then it will give you a clear pathway of doing it. And then once it is that you have that clear path, then you can head over to Canva to turn these ideas into graphics, designs. You can do so much with it. So take advantage of these tools to help you to create content for business owners. So here's how you're going to get started with this. So the first step you want to take is choosing your niche. So you can do fitness, beauty, health and wellness, or even money online, online business or finance, making money online. So any one of those, if you have any experience in, finance, or even the beauty industry, or even health, or whatever it is that you have skills in, or have an idea of how to do, or even if you're just interested in any one of these, then this can be your niche. So the importance of niching down is that you don't want to be all over the place. You don't want to be targeting content creators today and then tomorrow you are targeting chefs. You don't want that. You want to be so clear on the path that you're taking that it's a no-brainer to buy from you. When people see you, they want to know that they want to know you for something. So what do you want to be known for? What is something that whenever you do it, you light up? Whenever you do it, it's done so good that people will actually want to pay you to do it for them, because it's something that you're so good at. So that's where a niche come in. You don't want to be all over the place. You don't want to be guess and spelling. And once it is that you have a niche, it's easier for you to choose your target audience. Like, it's easier for you to find, you know, who do I want to sell this product to? Who do I want to help? So those things are very important when thinking about choosing a niche. So I saw someone on YouTube, talking about this, about choosing your niche, and I thought that this was so cool, on how it was explained. So I'm going to show you my screen and show you, how you can do it also. So what I think is that with this on the screen, it says choosing your niche. So your niche is going to fall anywhere in between all these three areas. So your interest, what are you interested in? What are you interested in learning? Whether it is that it is content creation, graphic design, what are your interests? So what you want to do is to write all your interests in this box right here. So create a graph like this, put all these three circles together, write all your interests in this box, in this circle right here. Next, you want to go to your expertise. So what are you good at? So as I was saying before, what do you know how to do that a lot of people struggle with? Like, things that you can do even if you close your eyes, you're able to do these things. So that's where your expertise come in. So you want to use this box to write all the things that you're an expert in, things that you're very good at. Next, is the profitability part. So even though you can be interested in something and you can be an expert in it, but it's not profitable. And that doesn't work. That does not work in business. You always want to make sure that whatever you're thinking about creating, a product, a service, whatever it is that you choose to do, you want to make sure that it brings in a profit, because the profit is what is going to pay you, help you to live the life you want to live, help you to do what you want to do. So always think about, what are you interested in? What are your expertise? And is it profitable? So that's another key. And once you fill out all the information, all of what is right here, then your niche will fall in the center. So the thing that you're most interested in, the things that you're very good at, and the thing that will be profitable to you. And then your niche falls into that. So I just thought I just share that with you guys so you have a better understanding of how to choose a niche. So after you have found your niche, then you want to use ChatGPT. Remember that we're using the example of a content creator using AI. So that's the side hustle that we're talking about. So you want to use ChatGPT to generate the content ideas, the caption, and also the outlines for each and all the things that you want to do. I guarantee you, ChatGPT is one of the coolest tool by far I've ever used. Like, this thing is a game changer for even me in my business and creating content or even showing up for you guys on YouTube. I'm telling you, ChatGPT has been so much help. So I want you to use it. Use it as an assistant. Help use it to help you, to assist you with getting work done, to getting things done, getting ideas together, even some things that you've thought about, a dream, a goal, something that you've thought about but you were not sure on how to get it done. Put that thing in ChatGPT, and I guarantee you, ChatGPT will clarify it for you and tell you ways how you can even monetize that thing. So don't sleep on ChatGPT. So you can offer this as a content assistant service, or you can even turn this in a simple template. So whichever route you take, so you can offer it as a service, or you can offer it as a simple digital product by using Canva to create it. So the next step is packaging and delivering this service that you want to offer. So whether it is that, as I said, you want to offer it as a service or even just a digital product, then I'm going to show you my screen. I'm going to go into Canva and I'm just going to show you a simple template that you could use to offer this. So I'm recording my screen. I'm showing you inside of Canva. So this is how inside of my Canva looks. So once you search, because being that we're on the topic of content, I'm just going to show you like a simple content calendar that you can even create as a simple template to offer. So this is one right here. You have so many different ideas. This one is so colorful, like this. So we would choose the template that we want to use. Then we could go ahead and, change the fonts right here. So you change the font to whatever style you're going for, whatever style you want it to be in. You can change the size of the font. You can go up or down. You can also change the color as well in Canva. Like Canva is such a great tool. I think that it's so good for creating any form of digital products that you will want to create. And even if you're a content creator, you can use these templates for your clients as well. You don't have to, per se, you don't have to use it like for a template. You can also use them, sell these to your clients, use these to set up for your clients' social media as well. It's so much you can do with Canva and offer these services as well. So if you want a beginner's guide on how to use Canva, to create your content or even to help you to create designs or to even get started with an AI side hustle, then I've created a Canva guide, which I will also link in the description box below, just in case you want to learn how to use Canva. This is a video training on how you can use Canva step by step and just getting to understand it so that when you put your prompts into ChatGPT and it gives you everything that you need, you will know exactly how to use Canva to turn it into something, to create something that will make you money online. So once you have created your digital product or even the template that you've created as being a content creator, then you can sell these on Etsy or Gumroad as well. So Etsy is a platform where you can sell your digital products, also Gumroad as well. Or you can put them online on your own website, or you can even pitch your clients, send them email or even send them a DM to offer these services to them as well. So you have many routes of offering these products to clients. So now that you have a simple AI side hustle idea that you can go out there and start, if you want 10 more ideas, then don't forget to grab my free guide that I've linked down in the description box below, where I have so much more AI side hustle ideas for you that you can start this week, and it's absolutely free. So check it out. And I want you to understand that in starting a business or even starting anything in life, you sometimes get that fear if you can do it. But, with all of these, AI side hustles and all these ideas that I told you about, I want you to first have the belief that you can do it, because I know you can. The first thing is to change your mindset of how you think about opportunities, ideas, or even things that will help to take you to the next level. So once it says that you can change your mindset, you are able to start something and stick to it, then I guarantee you that you can have the life and the future that you've always wanted. And I am here to cheer you on, and best of luck on your journey. I want to see you win. So don't forget to like this video, share, and also come back and watch more videos from me as I share positive videos and AI side hustle ideas and business tips every week. So see you in the next one. Bye.